What is good, YouTube? I'm back with another motherfucking video. It's your boy White Pree in this bitch, and we got the whole gang in here. You know what I'm saying? OG Studios. Let me go down the line real quick. Start from the front. You know what I'm saying? Who got in this building?
Molly Mall.
I might have to get a better introduction.
Yo,
I don't know. I did enjoy it, isn't it?
Yo, it's your boy Taj.
Jay Prayson.
Yo.
Better, just no. Boy, most definitely building, isn't me?
Ming the Taurus. Victoria, VVS now.
It's Shay, baby. Shay with a C.
Yo, my name is Carrie.
Yeah, man. So, like I said, we got the gang in the building. Goddamn. And today, we about to do or drink. You know what I'm saying? This is the first card. I'm going to cheat real quick, but yeah. Yo, shut up. But let's get to the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy White Pree. We out.
1, 2, 3, go.
Because you new to the game.
No, man.
Black shirt. So 1, 2, we put that. Damn, it's kind of.
I am too.
Who you? No, he got 2. Who you pointing at him? Most they pointing at Taj? You pointing at Taj? Yeah, it's you first.
No,
It's you first. He's pointing at O'Shane.
He's pointing at him.
O'Shane has 2. Yeah, I'm pointing at her. You pointing at
3. I'm pointing at him too.
Pointing at who?
I'm pointing at O'Shea as well.
No, you're not, nigga.
Yes, I was, bitch.
Nah, you wasn't pointing at O'Shane. You pointing over there,
No,
nigga.
bitch, I was not pointing over there. I was pointing at O'Shea.
Yo, just go first, my youth. What the fuck?
So we're supposed to get.
You just pick one, and you gotta do or drink.
Oh.
Read it out loud. Read it out loud.
Load up.
Shotgun, inhale, smoke, then exhale the smoke directly into
Where the weed at?
another person's mouth
Why?
with with the player to your right with whatever or both of you drink 5 times.
Yeah, my God. Take 5 shots, Mickey. 5 sips.
This game deadly.
Remember, this whole time
Pree, your turn.
I wasn't losing, I was winning.
Make the group a snack or a drink 4 times.
Make us a snap, bro. I'm
And you got bread.
Yo, pass me bread. Yeah, everybody have to take 1 piece and 1 bread. I call it a snack.
No, whatever that time.
We did
What is in the Bible?
That don't count.
Yeah, bread and wine.
bread and a fish.
And roll and roll.
What is it? Communion? Everyone. Communion, babe.
You say break off piece.
No
Yo.
matter how big a piece. Yeah, well, I mean,
That's 4 still.
What?
That's 4 people still.
I'm in the business.
Because it says 4 times.
No, it says or I drink 4 times.
No.
Read the card.
Or make the group a snack and drink 4 times.
Yeah, man. I eat that.
He set me up.
Yo, take the bumbo clap bread.
No, we had to die.
Just take piece of bread to my eat.
Bro, we got to
Just take piece of bread.
It's the game.
come to a piece out, bro.
Not too much.
Dog, what you doing, man? Yeah.
That shit bread for the girl. Yo, but to get everybody piece of bread, man. Your turn. Go.
We gotta see what this dick can have to.
We just passed them the card. No, I mean.
Tell the group your funniest edible experience or drink 5 times. Say no more. Alright, so this is the first time I ever encountered with weed, right? My homeboys was having a little ghetto or whatever, and they made some brownies. But we were hungry, so we wanted to grab some wings. So we made the brownies, and then we ate the brownies before we went for the wings. I jumped in my dog's car. Don't know what the fuck is going on with my body. I'm freaking the fuck out because my whole head's spinning around. Blase, blase. Get inside the wings place, bro. And I'm standing in the corner. And they all by the cashier, whatever. And they turn to me, Jay, you good, bruh? And I'm looking at them like, bruh, fuck no. I don't know what the fuck going on right now, bro. And that is my craziest edible story. I was stuck in the corner.
Yo, Ryan, your turn. Let's see how cat is.
You gotta read out loud.
Oh my god.
Boy, I never go drinking, okay?
Yo, read it, cat, man. Read it.
If you read it, don't know.
Alright, I'm sorry, bro. I just like call your mom or dad and tell them you got too high and need their help or drink 4 times.
Let's do it now. Just get out of the rules, brother. Here.
Call his mom or dad and tell you got high for what? Too high?
Wait,
Alright, I'm gonna read it over for you. I'm gonna read it over for you.
How much you gotta drink?
it said, man, I drink 4 times, dog. It's because, yep.
You gotta call his mom or dad and tell him you got too high.
Alright, I'm gonna call my mother right now. She could not even know.
I know the feeling.
Alright, so it said 4 times.
Take a picture of your eyes. Hopefully they're not red and send it to your mom and drink 5 times.
Should I take a picture of her eyes?
So,
Hopefully it's not red and send it to her mom.
Your mama gonna be like, what the fuck?
wait, before you read that, she gotta.
I got lashes on, so that shit giveaway.
Victoria look begs.
This game heavy though.
This one fuck up. I mean,
Talking about
you
5
don't see nothing yet,
shots.
bad man. You don't see nothing yet.
This is just for the stoners.
Bad man, me even take a card, I'ma drink. How this?
I show you that I did it, right?
Can I fuck with it, huh? Yeah.
Right, I won't be able to-
Alright, Victoria, go.
Hold on.
Alright.
She gonna kill me.
She did it.
She gonna kill me.
Challenge a player to a rapid fire smoke out. Keep passing the weed back and forth, taking rapid hits until someone can't anymore. Or both of you drink 3 times.
You gotta keep rolling up the door right here.
So it's
Nah, that don't mean
either
nothing. You got weed. You got
She
weed.
said it says choose a player. Right? So she chooses you.
The only person who not smoking and who don't smoke is most that.
I'm just saying you the only one with a split right now.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that's true.
You the only one with
That's
this
what I'm
one.
saying.
Or she could also choose you and y'all can both drink. If she don't drink anyway.
That's if she wanted to do that, but
it's a lot going on here,
You gotta always
guys.
drink.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a drink. Well, I'm
you
gonna
gotta choose
choose.
somebody.
What's your name again, Jay? No, because no,
Take 3 shots.
Wait, why? Why I gotta take a shot?
She picked
no,
Why she?
Oh wait, he got a joint. I gotta go
No,
back
she
and
only
forth.
asked my name.
no, because I was gonna pick you.
So why?
Because the card, bro. She has to pick somebody.
Either we have a rapid fire smoke out, or we both drink 3 times.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
Oh, wow. Call your local dispensary and ask if you could pre-order 10 pounds of weed. If you fail to do this, finish your drink or quit playing. Oh my god.
Yo, that shit probably locked too, so you gotta finish that shit, bro. You gotta finish that shit, bro.
Talk.
Y'all got me fucked up.
Better than this.
That shit, bro.
I quit.
You on the game. She on the game.
Nah.
Finish the drink.
That shit got caller
10
ID.
pounds of weed?
10 pounds? That's a lot of fucking weed. They finna, yes. I'm finna go home. They finna be waiting on me.
So you out?
Yeah, I'm done.
Dog
You got me
out.
Ask for a slice.
Says one pizza pizza and ask if they can make a special weed pizza for your right price or drink 5 times.
Call him Bobo.
She has to call a pizza place.
Me give my phone for do it.
What happened?
Call a pizza place and ask them for a weed pizza.
That's a star 67. Star 67 them fuck.
I will drink 5.
Me bum buck, really? Alright, come through. 1, 2. You gotta take 5 sips. You don't gotta be like drinks. 2, 3, 4. That's a 4, right? Yeah. Okay. 5. Come through, man.
Take a selfie and post it on Instagram with the caption high as fuck or drink 5 times.
Post a picture, fella. Post a picture, fella.
Yeah.
Post a picture.
Post that shit with the card. Post that shit with the card, man. Like,
I blame this nigga.
Wait, so we ain't calling the pizza people?
nah, they ain't gonna be. They did the drinks. 5 drinks.
That would have been lit, though.
That shit would have been
That would have
lit.
been some content. That would have been lit. I'd have done it.
Yo, the short, yeah.
I just realized I'm out the game, y'all.
Yeah, you should. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Damn, first round.
Oh my gosh. Your boy said.
I'm not drinking all that. Y'all got me fucked up.
Oh my gosh, I'm afraid.
That shit for the cheese. What the fuck I look like? But it should have been no more bread.
It says place a joint in the mouth of the player to your left without using your hands or drink 4 times.
Fire!
So my turn on that. My turn on that. This is the one.
Yeah, you pick from there. But man, yeah, that's like.
Just one, like, joint end on one end and the other end on the other next end.
Okay, that makes sense.
Me can't do that regardless. Pass it with no hand. Oh, split.
Open Instagram and add 420 friendly in your bio for the rest of the game or drink 5 times.
Man, that's great. That's great.
Let's put it in the 420.
Hashtag 420 in your bio for the rest of the game, fam.
Demonstrate rolling a joint using, right? So I read that, I was like, demonstrate rolling a joint. I was like, damn, I'm rolling a joint right now. And it's like using another player's fingers. What? like what?
Oh. You gotta use somebody's finger
to
and,
demonstrate rolling with, nah. Or drink 3 times.
Drink, bro.
Yeah, man, I drink 3 times, bro.
Alright. Take a hit and try to blow it over with the smoke. If you can't, say no more. Give me a letter. Say no more.
If you can't drink 2 times.
Take a blow. Oh, I can't blow it.
I got it. Hold on. I am not drinking.
Then I move quick.
Yo.
Let me see, I'm perfect. Let me see what I'm going to say, alright, yeah.
Don't make me laugh. I got this. YouTube, I got this.
I ain't gonna lie, when I be in the whip, big O's out of nowhere.
Turn off the AC, bro.
But no, I hear
She see it.
You probably see it. See, look at small circle in my number.
Sound like you drink it. Yeah, go ahead, read
It
it.
says go until your next turn without laughing or drink 4 times. But
Go into his next turn without laughing or drinking. Say no more. We gonna make him laugh. That's it. We just gotta make him laugh. Yeah. He already laughing. That's easy. That's easy. Oh, this don't look good.
You get funky everyone. Let's go.
It says strike out, take a hit, and chug a beer before you exhale. Take a shot or quit.
Strike out.
Oh, what's the red card?
So you gotta.
You gotta hit your joint and then drink your whole drink and then you can exhale. Or you must
I
quit.
have to drink the whole thing?
Yeah.
It says the whole
It says chug a beer.
Oh shit.
But we don't got no beer.
So this is the beer.
Yeah, so just take a sip while you hit the joint.
Okay, so just take a sip.
Yeah.
That's not chubby.
That's not
But that's not
chugging.
chugging. You gotta
Go for it.
Alright, take
a big go.
Oh no.
She can take a golf.
Oh no.
Why you hit the joint?
She contemplated.
Or you gotta quit. That's what it says?
Why y'all saying 2, 3 though? It said one chug.
Nah, it's a chug.
Oh yeah.
You gotta finish
Yeah.
it.
She
contemplating.
She like, I don't know, man.
Can I do this?
Can I just take the drink?
Can you just take the drink?
I'll take like 2 big gulps.
What y'all think?
2 big goals?
2 big gulps or chug that
You
drink?
trying to?
Fuck that. I'm not gonna cheat the game, so I'm gonna quit.
Alright.
So we got 2 bills out.
The person with the most weed. The person with the most weed at the party is safe. All others must finish their drink.
What?
I got 3 vibes.
I don't got no weed.
I quit. I forfeit.
I got 3 vibes.
Ain't no forfeit. You say you gotta finish your drink.
down.
Everybody else gotta finish their drinks.
Alright, so everybody's just gonna take a big go.
A big goal. We can take a goal.
You can take a big goal.
Because
What? No, bro, I finished my jump. I finished my jump, bro.
I didn't cheat the game.
I finished my jump.
Yo,
I finished my
I
jump,
can't
bro.
cheat the game.
you can't cheat the game.
hell no, I gotta drive.
That mean I saved for a few rounds. Please tell me that. Please tell me that. I'll save for a few rounds, cause honey.
Finish it. Drink.
Honey.
How much?
What?
It says play by Molly jamming and take every hit. Every time he says jamming. Over 4 times.
Huh?
It says play by Molly's jamming
Let me
and
get
take
mine in there.
a hit.
Every time you says jam.
Take a hit every time he says jamming or drink 4 times.
Yeah. Well, if I hit that. Eric, go on now, G.
Jamming.
Yo, whoever like that.
Jamming.
She gonna play the whole song and she gotta hit that hit every time you say jam.
Boy.
Every fucking
Not even 30 seconds in your frost.
That's probably a lot. I'm gonna go to 4 minutes.
Yo, they knew what they was doing.
They knew what they was.
That's funny. That was a
One
joke.
of y'all guys.
By the time that's done.
Yo, I swear, I've been with it
For real, bitch. Yeah.
I think she drank.
Next.
Right.
Oh.
Pass the phone. Where the?
So take an edible or drink 3 times. This edible, right?
Me bumbo club.
Yeah, it's done. The 40.
Yo. Take a hit without using your hands or drink 4 times. What is it, bumbo?
How you do that, bro?
Hold up.
Take a hit.
Whoa. No.
That shit don't count.
What you
That
mean?
don't count.
That shit
I
don't
wasn't
count.
using my hands.
You use your hands.
bro.
I put this shit to my mouth. I did not use my hands to hit it. I hit it. It was not. How the fuck else I'm gonna do it? It said take the hit without using your hands. I put this clip in my mouth and I hit it without using my hands. Fuck is you talking about? I'm drunk. I'm nice. I'm not drunk.
This one says
You want this?
replace the bong water.
Never mind.
Or drink 3 times. If there's no bong in the party. Oh shit.
Wait, what?
Fuck.
You gotta replace the bomb water, but we don't have the bomb, so everybody got drink.
Since there's no bong water at the party, everyone drinks 3 times. So y'all motherfuckers getting drinking. Right?
You gotta drink too, bitch. You part of the party.
Oh, wait, I forgot about the game.
It says everyone.
Bitch, you.
It says everyone. The fuck? Drink, you whore.
Smoke a Super Bowl or drink 3 times. You don't have
Drink 3 times.
Fuck that, yo.
Wait, everybody?
No. That wasn't everybody. Just him.
Oh.
Jay needs some water.
I mean, you could drink if you want to, but just know the game's not done till it's done. You heard?
Alright. Perfect. Take a hit and hold it. Pass the bowl and play around. Everyone, if you fail to do this, finish your drink or quit playing. I said perfect because I said it was red. I need to quit playing. Hey, you still fuck with me.
This nigga.
Damn, nah, like, I'm drunk already, you know.
Fucking bum.
Fuck, better not get in, but take one sip. Better take a couple sips, better than drunk. Say what?
Back up my next one.
Go ahead. Alright, hold on the dog, just wait till me read something first, dog.
You go have a drink when you're reading bad man, you know?
You say what?
Go on.
Yo, dog, I feel like, dog, me just smoke right now. No, big. Big man.
They say you are Jesus.
What? No, dog.
No.
Better, I don't know that. Probably call me
Sky
drunk.
high.
Where that? Only for smoking.
Fuck it. Anyways, so it's, alright, wait. So it's text your weed plug, I love you, or drink 4 times.
Huh? What?
We need to say a little louder.
Wait.
Say a little louder, please.
Wait, brother. It's Bill. It says text your weed plug. Wait.
Text your weed plug?
Text your weed plug, I love you, or drink 4 times.
Yeah, man, let's drink 4 times, man.
Wait, hold on.
Fuck that. Take a 4 sips. 1, 2, 3, going on.
Hold on, I'm waiting for Ryan to finish his drink.
Yeah, if that's.
Yo, Ryan, you're not taking gulps, bro. I hope you're not taking gulps, dog. Yo, look, is this cup dead?
No, I'm a couple of them.
Yo, the man look like he taking gulps over there. I'm like, nigga, yo, that shit's strong, bro. Man, don't catch up on price already.
Alright, have the player to your right. Shit.
Yeah, you forward there. I thought she wanted to wait.
Forward. It's more here. I really want to hear this. What have to say?
Okay. Have the player to your right draw a weed leaf on you wherever they want or drink 5 times. Yeah, go on with your hand.
Put it over there. Yeah.
Don't fuck up, you heard? Big tattoo artist. Don't fuck
Shut
up.
up. It don't matter if you fuck up that. Alright, just try the thing.
What that?
What the?
One bird.
How that? Your signature?
A chicken?
A dove.
No, what that
It look like a bird.
I see the shot.
Show the camera.
I think it's the MJ. Yo. Wu-Tang the joint.
What the fuck
The
that's
fuck is that?
Very end of the joint.
That's the phone, yeah.
Or drink 4 times.
Yeah, man, just drink 4 times.
What the fuck is a Wu-Tang? How do you Wu-Tang the joint, fam? Now we gotta Google this.
Eat the very end of the joint.
Man, I read the cat a minute, dog.
It said roll up perfect joint for the group in less than 2 minutes or drink 4 times.
Easy, dog.
The group judges the quality.
Easy, dog.
Where the papers at? In the weed.
We got paper.
Yeah.
I'll do that.
We got paper.
From the
Not
red
for all that.
Not from paper.
Oh, Lord.
We use it raw cool.
I'm about to start.
So,
Where's the weed?
can't try though.
Wait, what was you about to roll?
Right now, everything, you know?
Crusher.
Where the weed there?
Babe, about to take a shot.
Alright, me drink. How much time for drink? Me drink.
4 times. I gotta take 4 shots. It says take a 5-second bong rip, and hold it in for 5 seconds.
Basically a joint.
But you gotta hit it long though.
I gotta hit it for 5
Nah, you
seconds.
gotta do 10 Nah, this one right here.
Huh?
It's a joint for 10 seconds.
Watch it. No, I'm on that.
It's a joint for 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Nah, that's not fair though.
So I got-
10 seconds with this one.
I gotta take a 5-second bong rip and hold it for. So I gotta take a 5-second and hold it for 10 seconds.
Because it's a joint.
Because it's a joint, he helping you out.
Hold it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ever get caught by your parents for smoking? If so, take a drink.
Huh?
I never got caught by my parents for smoking.
You never got caught?
Yo, this.
This means everybody. Everyone takes a hit. The person that drew this card must take a shot to or quit.
Say that again?
Everybody gotta take a hit, and then I gotta take a shot while I'm taking a hit.
Take that shot.
I just got a hit.
So split.
Yeah, me, I'm a split.
You lucky. And I'm out.
Anyone who's wearing green is safe. All others must take a shot or quit the game.
Now we're green. Now we're green.
Hold on, let me check.
Now we're green.
Well, me,
Oh, you safe as fuck.
Which part green?
Right here.
Oh.
That's not green, that's teal for the
Look.
record.
Okay.
I'm green.
Stop playing with her.
Victor, you alone have to take a shot.
Yeah, hold on, I take a shot.
My green right, that's what.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
No, I yell at that.
Yeah, man, you're only man if you take a shot.
Where's your green?
Oh, man. Wait, hold on there.
No, I think him good, man. Where you can't do? How you put in there?
Pass me money.
That's what I think green, man. It's good. It's
Good,
good.
yeah, man. Good, man. 20 them pockets.
What fuck do you? Oh, man, I'm green, so
No,
I take a shot.
you never think of that.
What you mean? Me see that? I'm green, I don't fuck.
You never think of that.
Create a bong out of any food item you have in the kitchen. If you fail to do so, finish your drink or quit playing.
Just quit that, we're not a food item. We're not a food item.
Hey.
He never like, you know. What?
Oh, the puppy. It's a puppy.
It's a puppy, bro. It's a puppy. He's 9 months.
9 months? Name at least 5 strains of weed or drink drink 3 times. Gelato, runs,
Whoa.
wait,
Potato.
Obama runs.
Huh?
Me I talk about different strain of weed.
Yeah.
Yeah. LA Confidential.
Okay.
Yeah. Rainbow
The most
runs.
common one.
OG Kush. Yeah, man.
They sell us out of Publix. They sell us out of Publix. The little girls that sell us out of Publix. Cookies. There you go.
Take a hit without your pants on.
Yo. Let's go in the bathroom. Let's go in the bathroom.
Just drink.
Let's go in the bathroom, dog.
Look at him contemplating.
Don't drink, brother. Just go in the bathroom, dog. Just go in the bathroom and do it, Batman. Nobody have to
Drink
know.
4 times.
Better than drink 4 times now, man.
Shit, I don't know, dog. That going in that bathroom, but not too far right now.
Yo, you know, alright, that fresh you want fresh.
Yeah.
Wait,
bro.
Very perfect, Paul.
Yeah, man, you're not smoke.
Yo.
Quit playing.
Yo, think I ain't here, bro.
It's a what?
Good, man, you're not smoke.
You not smoke.
So what the
Wait,
card
hold
said-
on. That's a finish my drink.
Yeah.
You're mad, the pussy clot.
Finish your drink, dog.
Brother, right now, I'm gone now, man. We can't do that, brother.
Who next?
No, say I fuck with this stuff. Wait. Hold on. Let me see how much we have.
Nah,
Do it?
Yeah, finish it.
Fuck, brother. You're not finish that blood.
Wait, just give me a second.
Give you what he said.
Oh, hold on.
Yo, Rob, hold on, right?
Don't do it.
Don't
do
Camera there, right?
They can't get kicked out of the game, dog. Just
Camera there, right?
Don't do it. Yo, you're not saying. How much you got? How much you got? How much you got? How much you got? Finish your cup.
Oh, Lord.
How much you got?
He got half a cup. He got half a cup.
You got half a cup.
Bro, just end the game. Just end the
Me
game.
not end the game. Me not quit, dog.
You're not saying, brother. Give me
more.
brother. If you have a see on the
If you finish that shit right now, bro. If you finish that shit right now, bro, you the shit, bro.
Me nah quit, dog. Nah quit.
Listen to him. He's
Nah quit, dog. Nah, I can't quit.
You want to read? You can't see that side of my money. You can't go over, you can't see that side.
I sleep at ground, man. What's that door or something? Oh, like,
If you finish that shit, whoa.
The right to say you gotta sleep for about 2 hours.
But I think I like it. I can't steal it. Alright, man, I finish cup. Just give me a second. Nah, I'm gonna take a second.
Bro, that's half a cup, bro.
Can't steal it.
No.
Go through.
My life, man, I finish the cup, yeah.
How far you stay?
How far am I still?
He just said,
We can't quit, dog. Wait. Let's negotiate this, sir. You have another round after this?
no.
Yeah, we have to do that next round.
How far did you stay?
Somewhere over so dog.
We're gonna do our next round after this.
What the fuck is that?
We are gonna do our next round after this.
Where you go? Take my cup,
Hurry. Yeah, quit.
Nah, me no want quit, brother.
Hurry. I'll finish it up.
No.
Mike, shut up. Finish it up. Give it up. Alright, it's done.
Man, I make me quit the game, bro.
You can finish your cup if you
Finish your cup. God, Carrie not ready yet, so finish your cup. She not ready yet.
What you gonna do? Finish your cup or you gonna quit?
Hurry up, dog. Finish your cup or quit. Which one? What you gonna do?
Wait, hold on. So if I finish the cup, I gotta put more drink in there, right?
yeah.
Why am I quit it, man? Fuck with that.
Dog, I quit.
Ain't no way.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people we quit. 5 people quit people. YouTube, that game is dangerous. Do our drink.
Tell everyone who you think is the biggest stoner in the group or drink 2 times.
Wait, what?
Who's the biggest stoner in here?
At this point, everyone.
I'm tired stoner.
Retired.
Yeah, every second.
Oh, shit.
Text your ex, wanna get high with me, or drink 5 times.
Yo. Listen that. Yo. Attention. Order on the high tables. Badman just pull up card.
It says.
Text your ex. Wanna get high with me or take 5 drinks? So what you say, Badman?
What are you
Not
going to do?
even
They didn't know what they want.
What are you going to do?
Don't even think about it.
You're not driving a dog, so yeah, see me. This just says take a hit and do a handstand for 30 seconds before exhaling. If you fail to do this, finish your drink or quit playing. But little do you guys know, look at my fucking cup. I'm done in that, bitch. What are you talking about? Give me that. Fuck you doing?
Take 5 hits from whatever you have, bong joint, blunt, etc. Or drink 3 times. Damn, I just finished my joint too, bro. Yo, let me get your joint, bro. 5 times.
No, you did, bro.
Let's see that though.
When I try to quit right now, I take no more drink.
Oh shit.
Carry your turn. Shit. Everybody over
Hold on, this whole row out?
Yeah, bro. I just realized what I'm doing.
Blindfold yourself and have the person to your left feed you a food item of their choice.
We got shit.
We got crumbs.
Oh yeah, over there.
So you might have more bread.
Yo, we're not on chips.
Call your mom or dad and tell them you just got pulled over and the cops found all your weed in the trunk. Don't tell them the truth for at least 30 seconds or drink 5 times. Alright, hold on. Boom, yo. Hey, mommy.
What's up?
What's up? Hey, guess what?
What?
I just got pulled over and the cops found my weed in the trunk. I'm here waiting.
You here waiting where?
I'm waiting on them to, I don't know what they're doing. I'm just sitting there. It's like 10 pounds.
What? Stop lying.
Not for real, they're 10 pounds.
What you had 10 pounds of weed on you for?
In the trunk, because I was about to go chart.
Mama.
All right, joke. Yo, what with that
Sorry.
Where are you?
It's a YouTube prank.
It's a YouTube prank. It's a YouTube prank we're doing. We're good. It's so call you. All right, mama. Joke.
It says take a shot of bong water. If you fail to do this,
A bottle of water?
bong water. Finish your drink or quit playing. I don't have that in my cup. Yeah.
Call one of your parents on FaceTime while taking a hit. Yeah, that's it. Or drink 5 times. Or drink 5 times. Yeah, me just had to drink 5 times. First of all, mother not even FaceTime. I didn't call her. Yeah. But good.
Text your mom, did you take my weed or drink 4 times?
Leave your mom alone.
Yeah, I'm gonna start that shit.
She's so funny. Let her
Alright,
work.
let's just drink, yeah, man.
It's at 10 pounds.
You just call it again.
Read it. This is the last card too, that's funny.
Alright, YouTube. So look, this is how we about to end the game. I'm drunk as shit. This do or drink shit got me messed up. I ain't gonna lie. Look, this is the last card. So it says pick someone and sit on their lap while taking a hit. If you fail to do this, both of you must finish your drinks or quit playing.
Oh, Lord. We also finish your drink.
So you still gotta pick somebody.
Look for me, I them. Quit me, I quit. Do or drink. Make sure y'all like and comment, subscribe.
Yo.
The gang in the building. Everybody quit.
Alright, so my IG is XOBrooklyn, XO.BKLYN_. Follow me. Got you. Oh.
2 winners first.
Yo, follow me Instagram, AH_DJ Marley Mall Official LLC. Right here. Go ahead, take a picture if you need that. If you need a DJ, go and book the guy and get me.
You don't know me already. I DJ Danger, Zim.
Yo, it's the girl Shay Baby Shay with a C. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, TSCHAEBABYY.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Victoria, VVS Nails with an S and a Z. Check out the nails, yes ma'am. Period. And my other Instagram is by my Vicky with an I. Oh, she ain't doing it.
DJ.
Hey, let me stop playing.
I'm looking at you and I can still see the ring light.
Fuck it, time on. THH, bitch. Suck yourself.
I already done told
I
myself.
got my family up on the outside. Blue Steel, you don't know Pree, Pepper. I said G. Chosen few family. Wanna big up on the damn self. You get me, man. Outside, when I got them outside. Make sure you go and follow my Instagram, AH_DJ Marley Mall Official LLC. Go and follow the page, book the guy. You get me? Go and follow the mix them, follow the team. Big up.
Yeah, man, you don't know anything set already, peoples. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow everybody in yourself on the gram, see me? Everybody yourself, follow them. White Pree.
Yo, make sure to follow me.
Yeah, sir. So make sure, look, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's White Pree. Look, we going back up on YouTube. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, I'm fried, and we like I said, we got the gang in the building, and we out.
Just hold this, brother.
Yo, we out right now. I'm drunk, you know. I that man make it. Yo, I ran this, you see me? So after I ran, I more stuff, is it? So it's big up the dog, you see me? The dog finish him drink for quit the game. I don't know him Instagram.
No, we don't have Instagram.
Where Instagram?
It's RJETTAS.
Make sure to follow that dog, you see me? 1 hour.